your end goal, your final team consists of all of the roles so that all the gaps are properly filled and you have a fully functional team that can deliver your product from the beginning to the very end. Hey there, Andrei here. Continue on the topic of discussing the common mistakes that people make when outsourcing their software development. And today I'm going to briefly talk about the problem of a common problem when people think that the only thing that they need from their future outsourcing vendor are the developers, and that developers will create their product and make them happy. Alright, this is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make, especially if you're trying to build a more or less big team consisting of at least, I don't know, 4 or 5 or 6 people. And the problem here is that you cannot create a fully functional team with just one role in it, developers. No, the full team will consist of multiple roles, and you need to really think who are those people and what roles you actually need to add into your team for it to function properly. Because developers are there to develop, but if you take a look at the entire process of creating the software development, then you will find multiple roles such as project manager, architect, developer, UI UX designer, QA engineer, DevOps. So there are many of them, and think about what people you actually need, and also think about your current state. What is it that the team that you currently have? What is the goal for your team? What kind of team you want to build at the end? Basically, what is the addition that you want to get from your future outsourcing partner? And then separately, so create a map and think what kind of roles you want to put into this team, and at the end figure out what the gaps you currently have, and then look to close those gaps with your future outsourcing partner, so that at the end your end goal, your final team consists of all of the roles so that all the gaps are properly filled and you have a fully functional team that can deliver your product from the beginning to the very end. All right. Okay, so that's all for today, and next time I'm going to talk about the problems of downplaying the management role in your team. So stay tuned, and I will see you next time.